Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Wani, Assistant Professor in Godavari College of Engineering. In this video, you will see website development. So, we will see what is website, what is the use of website, and website hosting. So, a website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. This is a website. So website is collection of interrelated or linked web pages which contains some information, audio or video of an organization. So websites are typically dedicated to a particular topic or purpose such as news, education, commerce, entertainment or social networking. Hyperlinking between web pages guides the navigation of the site, which often starts with a home page. So first page of website is home page. Then all other pages will be linked to this home page. This is all about website. Now each website must host on a web server. So different companies are there, different organizations are there which provides hosting facilities. Some companies provide free hosting service, some companies take some rent to host a website on their web server. So to host a website on their server, they provide you a platform with your username and password. So with the help of username and password, anyone can host their website or anyone can upload their web pages on the web server. So uploading of website on a server, this process is called website hosting. So before hosting a website, anyone must have a website or anyone must create a website. To create website, HTML is used. HTML is hypertext markup language which is used to make a website. Different texts are used in HTML, like if we want to write a paragraph on website, so p tag is there. If we want to write some headings, so h1 to h6 tags are there to write a heading. If image is to be inserted in a website, so img tag is there. So like this, different tags are there to insert any element on a website. After making a web page with the help of HTML, CSS is also there. CSS is cascaded style sheet. So different CSS are there, like inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. With the help of CSS, we can style our website or we can style our elements of HTML page. Like we can give different colors to paragraph or we can give different styles to image. This is the work of CSS, to give a style to any content of a web page. Then after CSS, PHP is there. PHP is an acronym for hypertext preprocessor. PHP is intermediate between front end and back end. Before learning PHP, everyone must know what is front end and what is back end. Front end is a GUI, graphical user interface, which is useful for a user. It is graphical user interface. And what is backend? So when we handle database, it is the work of backend. So there are different technologies to build front end, different technologies are there to build backend. Like HTML is front end technology and SQL is back end technologies. To handle database we use SQL, and to make front end we use HTML. And PHP is intermediate between front end and back end. After PHP there are different types of websites, like traditional websites are there and responsive websites are there. So responsive web design is about creating websites which automatically adjust themselves to look good on all devices from small phones to large desktops. So responsive websites are the websites which adjust automatically according to the screen size of a device. To see responsive site, you will see one example. So this is example of Amazon.com website. When you will open Amazon.com on a desktop or on a laptop, it will appear like this. Means 4 to 5 columns in a row will be there, or we can say that 4 to 5 images in a row will be displayed when you will open on laptop or desktop. Now when you will open same website on mobile phones, so this mobile phone will be displayed like this. Means only one column will be displayed, only one column will be displayed in mobile phone. So this website adjusts automatically on different devices. This website is called responsive website, and with the help of bootstrap we can make responsive website. With the help of bootstrap we can make responsive websites. Other technologies are also there to build a responsive website, but bootstrap is one of them. Then to build a website we use JavaScript, Angular and Node.js. So what is JavaScript? So JavaScript is a web browser based or client side scripting language. JavaScript is scripting language and it is used for validation purpose. Now suppose you want to make a form, and in the form your name is there, mobile number and age is also there. Now by mistake if anyone enter mobile number in place of name, then it will display a error message that you must enter alphabet on the place of name. So this is validation process, and it is the responsibility of JavaScript, and it is done on client side, or it is done in only web browser. So with the help of JavaScript we can reduce load on server side because it is done on only client side with the help of web browser. It is JavaScript. Then next is Angular. Angular is an application design framework and development platform for creating efficient and sophisticated single page applications. With the help of Angular we can make some applications which gives fast response than a traditional website. So these are some technologies which are useful in web development. Thank you.